Hi there, and welcome to a new review by Yes and Explore. In our last video, we visited the Capri by Fraser in the Bukit Bintang area of Kuala Lumpur. If you missed it, you can click on the link in the description box. After our stay there, we planned to stay in KL a little longer, but since that takes some time, we had to sleep somewhere else, and we chose the Hilton Garden Inn South in Chow Kit. Upon entering the hotel, you immediately step into the reception area, and there are some stairs to take you up to the mezzanine level, where you can get some work done or look at people checking in. You can tell that the hotel has been around for some time, but the lobby feels welcoming and bright. After taking a ride in the world's slowest elevator, we got to our room on the 15th floor. We booked a twin deluxe room with tower view and paid €55 per night, including breakfast. And as always, we are welcomed by the wonderful Lawrence. After we knock on this door again. When you step in the room, you don't see the whole room just yet. Straight ahead, we can find the bathroom, so let's see what that looks like. As you can tell, it's a decently sized bathroom, and you'll find a sink with some amenities and a mirror, hello. And then there's the shower, and the shower just looks sad. It's a big shower, but it only has this weird non-detachable shower head, and you can tell for sure that this is an American hotel chain because I don't see that with hotels anywhere else. It's just a little awkward to shower like that. There's also a toilet, of course, and a really strangely placed toilet roll that's really hard to reach. Then we step outside the room and we are going to see what else is there, aside from a lot of space to store your stuff, of course. We step into the room and you can see that it's very bright, that there's lots of windows. And as for the beds, they were very soft, but they were decent. So they did provide support, but they were really nice and soft. We slept well in those beds. There's also a TV, and in the corner you can find a little desk area where you could do some work. And of course, a closet. The safe fits a standard-sized laptop. There were some complimentary slippers as well, and of course a mini fridge which was filled with our own stuff. And further you'll find a kettle, a strangely placed power socket, and if you want to do some laundry, there is an ironing board as well. And this room also comes with a little couch and table, and of course with a really good view of Kuala Lumpur. You can see the KL Tower, which was promised by the name of our room, and you can also see the rest of the Chow Kit area that this hotel is located in. And there you can see Lawrence looking under the bed, trying to find some more likes and subscribers. If you know where they are, or if you can help us out, let us know. Next, it's time to check out the breakfast buffet. The breakfast area is really big and there are plenty of options to choose from. When you enter, you go up to the desk and the staff will show you which table you can use, and they will place a card on the table to sort of reserve it for you. At the buffet, you can find coffee and tea, of course, although I wouldn't necessarily recommend the coffee. The buffet options consist of hot and cold food, and they have eggs prepared various ways, such as boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, and omelets. And they also have chicken sausages, baked beans, rice and noodles, curries, and all the ingredients for a nasi lemak. And the buffet also comes with a soup station where you can make your own breakfast soup. And they also serve some hot porridge. At the cold section of the buffet, you'll find cereal, salad, pastries, yogurt, and fruit. The hotel has some inspirational quotes on the breakfast table cards, which I think is a nice gesture because you never know who needs to hear it. And with these positive words of encouragement, we started our breakfast. And apart from the coffee, we enjoyed it. So after all this food, it was time to check out the gym. And what's important to know is that the gym isn't located in the hotel itself. It's located at the Hilton Garden Inn South neighbor, the Hilton Garden Inn North. Yes, to make this thing super confusing, they have two of the same hotels next to each other. One is the North Hotel and the other one is the South Hotel. At the North branch of this hotel, you can use the gym. The gym was fine. It was on the smaller side, but it has most things that you need. And they also provide towels and 3 bottles of water, so that's very nice. Back at the Hilton Garden Inn South, you'll find the swimming pool on the rooftop along with the restaurant. From here, you have a good view of the city and there's even an unexplained glass floor. There were some faults to this hotel that mainly have to do with the age of the hotel and what must be the world's slowest elevator that they have in this building. However, we still enjoyed our time here, mostly because the staff was very friendly and the size of the room was very good. Given the location and the price, we do think that you can get better value for money in Kuala Lumpur. We want to thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see our trip to Penang and more, subscribe to us at Yes and Explore. Bye!